You want to help me with my intro?
Hello and good evening. Tonight we are entering a new area of natural documentary. We are currently observing a most wonderful congregation of people playing with plastic guns, or blasters you could call them, and genuinely enjoying a chaotic environment. This is a documentary on the Davis Nerf Club, and tonight we shall expose to you the inner workings of such a group.
Anyway, that means welcome to Davis Nerf Club. This is week 3, and we are gonna get you started real soon with the first game mode, which is Payload. Peace. Hope you like the little intro thing that Dan came up with. And before we get started with the video, I just want to add a few things to the video and just to clarify a few things real quick. So first of all, it's been a while since I actually last uploaded a video. I think the last time I uploaded a video was probably around like 8 months ago. Shit, it goes crazy. And I mean, I could just sit here and come up with excuses to be like, oh yeah, I couldn't make videos because of this. But I am truly sorry that there is a lack of content on the YouTube channel. And I am here to actually fix that. Because I'm actually going to try to dedicate more of my free time, or at least any of my free time, towards editing these videos, because I, again, as of last year, still have backlog to actually clear up. So in addition to actually trying to upload the more recent stuff, I'm actually going to try to upload the more older stuff as well. So yeah, I hope you can bear with me and enjoy the content as they come out. And otherwise, yeah, we're going to get started with the first game mode, which I think was Payload. Hope you have fun with the video, and again, sorry for the lack of content. I'm working on that, and yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, in the little edits message in the little like kind of where have I been kind of like montage, I've mentioned that my laptop actually broke during actually editing this video. So now that I'm actually editing this video again, there might be kind of little changes compared to the older videos, so just bear with me as you see these changes and stuff like that. Everything should still be kind of like in the general idea, but maybe like fonts are changed and all that stuff. So oops, my bad. Anyway, let's get on to the explanation of Payload. So Payload is a game mode where there are 2 teams with near equal amount of players, separated by sashes of different colors tied on the body, that will go toe-to-toe, head-to-head, and or neck-to-neck against each other, just like Team Deathmatch. However, to win, you must push this object called the Payload, which starts in the middle of the playing area, to the opposite team's side. How the push mechanic works is you must place your hand on the payload, maximum of 3 players, for the payload to start moving, with its speed relative to how many players that are on the same side holding the payload. If there are people of different sides on the payload will not move, and you will need to tag the other player to be able to push the payload. If you get hit, you must go back to your spawn point, or where you were when you started the game, and must count 7 Mississippis before you may go back and play again. The game is over when the timer runs out or the payload reaches a certain point at their respective sides. If the game ends due to the former, the winner is determined by whichever side the payload is closer to, where the winning team is the opposite side where the payload is closest to. Yep, sounds a little complicated, but you'll get it when you actually play the game and stuff like that. Hopefully the explanation is good enough for you, and otherwise, let's get on to the gameplay.
1, 2, 3,
Run! Oh my god. We got a lot on this side! Four. Let's go push. Let's get some help on this side. Ooh. One in the divot. Haha. Woo!
Grabbing a gun that works.
You're fine, you're fine. Oh shit. I need help on this side! Oh my god.
You just count fast.
Yeah. Dan, hustle back. I don't know what the... Oh! Right here, right here!
One in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Wait, let me know.
One in the bathroom, one in the bathroom. We need help on this side! Hold on, I'm reloading! Get some guys left side, let's go! One in the divot, one in the divot!
Got you, Andrew. Oh.
You're tagged, dude, you're tagged! One divot! One divot!
What?
Divot! Divot!
What is that?
Right here, this little divot!
Oh.
Divot's clear! You loading? Hold on, let's get some help on right side! Push! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Go push, go push!
Woo! Jacob, Jacob, my tag! Hustle, hustle. Flashbang.
I have one, I just got
Why? Yeah? Yes. Sash, you ready for a push?
Yes, sir!
Sash, prep up! Sash, ready? Sash, let's go! Let's go! Guys, they're pushed up! Let's hustle! They're already pushed up in mid. They're already pushed up in mid. They're already pushed up in mid! Sash! Let's push up! Come on! Push up! Let's go! Guys, payload's this side! No Sash. Run the corner, one in the corner, one in the corner! Sash, let's get on the payload!
We're good, we're good. Let's hold this side. Everyone else push this side.
Wait, that's game?
Nice try, yeah, that's game. Nice try. Nice try.
Hopefully you liked my cool dodging skills that I have worked on throughout the years. Anyway, we're gonna be heading on to round 2 of payload. This is where we switch sides, and yeah, no, the rules should be the same. Enjoy the gameplay.
Started a bit late. This is payload round 2. All right, team, let's fucking do this. Let's hustle! Your leg! Your leg, your leg! My bad. Your leg, your leg. One no sash. Hey, let's go. Oh, sorry, one sash. Let's go, let's go! Let's go!
Two sash, two sash. Make it
One left. One no sash. Keep going, keep going. Ooh! Sorry. One, two sash. 3 sash. Let's hustle, let's hustle. Let's go, let's go.
Eric, over here, over here.
Hold on. Help. Go. Sash, let's go. Woo! 7 Mississippi. All right, where are you headed to?
Ma'am.
Wait. She's going here. We're good. Where are you going? Because we're hosting an event right now.
I'm going to this building and the entrance is here.
Okay, got it. Don't worry. I'll just follow you. Just make sure you don't get tagged.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right here?
It's friendly fire on or off?
No, it's off. Sash! Let's go! Uh-oh! Go! Woo! Yeah! Where's the payload?
Over here, coming up on the left side.
All right, Sash, let's hustle.
I don't think I can run, but I'll do my best.
I can run.
Hold on, don't push him just yet. Yeah, go. Sash, let's go!
I know.
You guys, you traded.
So pretty much after a few seconds after this part, the game pretty much ends. So that is it for Payload Round 2. The results of Payload Round 1 and Round 2 is that we won the first round and we lost the second round, resulting in a tie. I don't think we really did a Round 3, so yeah. The next game we're going to be playing is King of the Hill, and I'm going to leave it off to Hannah, who explained it that very same day. And yeah, no, I recorded that part, and so hopefully she explained it well enough to get you informed of the rules, and I'll see you in the gameplay.
We are going to be playing King of the Hill. So you'll be in your team, sash. You'll be fighting to be in control of the point. That point will be, which one will be? Who will be both these? Alright, so the point will be Dan.
Yes, sorry, I'm here.
So the point will be Dan. He will have 2 timers, one for sash and one for no sash. In order to claim the point, you put your hand on Dan and say sash, and then count to 10 Mississippi. One sash. Where's the timer? No, they count to 10 Mississippi. Oh! Once you count to 10 Mississippi, you keep your hand under the timer so that you have the timer ready to go. The win condition is 3 minutes of not continuous but cumulative time on the point. This means that if you get shot while you are on the point, you go back to your spawn, you respawn for 7 Mississippis, but someone else from your team can hop back on and continue the timer. You can have 2 people from different teams on the timer at once, although you really should be shooting the other team if they're on the timer as well. And the timer will continue running if there are 2 people on that team.
Hey, yo, guys, sash, no sash alliance?
There you go.
I was kidding. Eric told you that. Come on, make it a prayer.
Hope you enjoyed the explanation of King of the Hill, and before we actually get started with the gameplay, I'm actually going to show you a little clip that I found with my roommate, or my old roommate, Nick, and his funny shenanigans.
Hi. Is it recording? Hey, it's recording! What's up, Eric? If you're watching this, you know I got in your video, so you're probably gonna delete this, but hey.
King of the Hill.
On 3! 1, 2, 3!
Salmon! Oh my god. Oh, dude, you gotta. Okay. On the point! Dude, you're already hit. There you go.
Behind the pillar! Can you film me? This thing jammed big time. Uh-oh. What even is that? Move up, move up, move up!
There you go. We need help on this side! Help, help, help. Okay, pillar.
Never mind.
Is the timer starting? Dan! Is the timer starting? Carson, 10 Mississippi's on him, go! You're hit!
Got it.
Sash, we're good! Just hold! No, you're good, you're good!
Okay, chill it. I hear you, Eric.
You should have listened to the rules, man. Shit.
I don't know. I know. I listened, but then I kind of forgot. Short-term memory. Go burr.
Taz, just watch your left side. I got your right. Sorry, I got your left. Hello. Hi. Oh shit. Hi. Ooh! Right here. Nice. Your tag, bud. There you go. Yeah, just cover. I got you. I got you. Just pick it up. Ooh. Oh shit. Let's go.
Right there.
Larry. Pillars. Actually. Ow. You're tagged, bud. Yeah. No. You're good, Josh. You're good. Let's go. So that is it for King of the Hill round 1. Now we're gonna head off to King of the Hill round 2. After this, it's gonna be it for the actual event or the content I have for this event because the GoPro failed to capture all the other game modes that we played, like Alamo and like the other game modes. I don't really remember. Also, too, my GoPro has been having problems, or at least my SD card has been having problems. I actually just lost week 1 of spring quarter 2023, so, yeah, oops, feels bad. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and, yeah, see you in the next, game mode, gameplay, and or video, or, well, whatever. King of the Hill, round 2. I'm starting off a bit late. I'm going to be heading over to spawn.
Did you find your mag?
Yeah, I did. I'm here with you guys. Let's go. We got the point or they got the point? No!
We have it.
I don't know. We have it? Okay. Do we have it?
Yes.
Sash has it!
Orders. Nah. Okay, we got the point. Oh! Just run. We're pushed up all the way on that side.
Woo! Yeah, yeah. Oh, ah! You're tagged,
I got him.
One more. Why did we all go in here, bro? Why are we all in here? Guys? So, yeah.
We can't go anywhere.
There we can.
Is that guy in order to bring us back? Yes.
Push up! No. They're pushing up, they're pushing up. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. You're empty, you're empty. Wait.
Still one close right here.
Sorry, Dan. Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Guys, prep up. Get ready, get ready. Okay. Get ready, get ready, get ready. We're up. We're gonna push mid. We're gonna push mid. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Got it. Do we make a sound before we push her? I'll follow you.
Yeah. Everyone, push mid. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! You're hit, dude! You're hit! You're hit! I hit you in the blaster! I hit you in the blaster! Dan! I hit her in the blaster! I hit her in the blaster! Ooh! Okay, this is not good. Hold on, I'm gonna push my side. Guys, push up! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Push! After this part of the game ends, and that concludes the content I have for you for Week 3's event. Thank you so much for watching, and before you actually go, I actually want to mention a few things real quick. One of which is Elijah's new Nerf channel, which actually has his perspective of Week 3's event, so you can go check that out. A link will be on the screen and or in the description below. In addition to that, the second point I wanted to make is there actually have been new Nerfers and or regulars who have been making content in or about Davis Nerf Club. So you can actually go check that out if you can find it on YouTube by searching up Davis Nerf Club. Or better yet, and an easier way to find it and to watch it is through our Discord, which a link to the Discord will be in the description below, and it will also probably pop up in the screen. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.